Welcome to Quickirun's step-by-step guide to making a return from the comfort of your home. But before we start, make sure you have the following. If you're making an in-store return, make sure you have the items you're returning and the receipt for the items. If you're making an online return, make sure you have the items packaged and the return label printed, which can be found from the website you bought it from. Now, let's get started. First, type in Quickirun.com on your browser. There, you should see a Make a Return button. Go ahead and click it. A return form will open where you can choose either in-store or online return. Then pick the store you are returning to, but make sure to read the store's return policy to ensure you can return it. Then, you just need to fill out some basic information like your name and the number of items you're returning, as well as the heaviest item you have. The next section asks the size of your largest object to ensure we can bring the right type of transportation. They're small, like a shirt, medium, like a computer monitor, and large, like a cooler. Next, you put in your address and the time you want the driver to come pick the item up, and then take a picture of the item you're returning and the receipt. This ensures the item is in good condition to return. Finally, to check out, pick a payment method. Quickirun will not keep your payment information and guarantee our site is secure. And that's it. Now sit back and wait for a driver to come. Once the item is returned, you will receive a confirmation email. For any questions, visit Quickirun.com or call 904-878-4254. Thanks for watching.